Hello, another unboxing review for you of another knife from Cuts. They come packaged individually in padded envelopes, of course. I wrote that on there so I would know, because apparently their code here is KMF2, which means Karambit Marble Fade 2. It was just, so I would know. But this knife is $10.99 right now. It's regularly $29.99. It's a very good deal. There's another one too, the regular Marble Fade. I got the Marble Fade 2. I don't know, it's just the one I picked. Packaged well. Here is the, just in a plastic bag here, which is fine, Now here it is here. And also the knives are buy one, get one right now, the Karambits. As you can see, it has a little lanyard, neck strap, whatever you want to call it, I guess. I'm not sure exactly what you'll call it, either or. Attached to the sheath, which protects the blade very well. The sheath locks in, thanks to the little notch here, and it connects to the handle, which you have to pull off. I mean, it does take quite a bit of force to get it off. And this is it here. This is the Marble Fade pattern, is what they call this, and it does continue all the way to the ring, as you can see. The handles are ABS, and they do have finger grips all the way around for you, and then there's a thumb grip on the top if you want to hold it like this. But the knife is it's just slightly under 4 ounces, and for the price, it's a very nice knife. Actually, I was impressed. I'm very impressed with all these knives so far, and there is a blade on it. Actually, it is a fairly sharp blade, and there's a nice pointy tip on there as well. It's a nice knife, it really is. Again, I'm impressed. There is an oil on the blade for protection, of course, which is good, But again, in the sheath there, locks into place very nicely. Karambit Marble Fade 2 from Cuts. $10.99 right now. Buy one, get one, so you can actually get 2 of these for $10.99 if you wanted to. Or you can mix and match, but they let you do too. But that's it, thanks.